Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you change the search engine on your Safari browser. By default it is set to Google. For example, if I search for anything then you can see now the search engine is Google and it's searching in Google. So if I want to change its default search engine, what I have to do is just open settings. Here scroll down and find Safari. Here is Safari, tap on it. Now here is the option of search engine, click on it. Now you can select the search engines. It has 5 search engines. You can select Yahoo, Bing and many more. Let's select Yahoo, and now if I search in the Safari, then it will search in the Yahoo. You can see this is Yahoo, not Google. So this is how you can change the default search engine on your Safari browser. Thank you everyone.